The past couple of days, we've seen over 80 LEGO sets that are going to be releasing in the summer of 2022. Now that's a lot of LEGO to take in and cipher through. Now to give you a better visual of what 80 sets looks like, here it is. Now, instead of going through all 80 plus LEGO reveals like I usually would, just kind of scrolling through, I decided I wanted to change things up a little bit, try something new. I will be going through all the LEGO Summer 2022 reveals and picking which ones I like and swiping left on the ones I don't. Now, if this sounds similar to a popular dating app, you're right. Introducing LEGO Tinder. So, let's not waste any more time, let's get to it. But before we begin, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on notifications to stay up to date on all the latest LEGO news. Now, let's get swiping. Now there's gonna be a couple of rules for LEGO Tinder. If I swipe right, I like the set, and this means 1, I like the way it looks, 2, I will buy it, and 3, I will actually build it. Otherwise, I have to swipe left and say no. I also have the super like button, which of course just symbolizes that I really like this set for myself or someone that I know. Let's find my LEGO matches. First up, we have LEGO Ninjago. Now I have to stipulate, I'm not a big fan of LEGO Ninjago like at all. I don't own one Ninjago set, never have. So the set's gonna have to be really good in order for me to get to like it. But first up, we have Ninja Dragon Temple, set number 71759, 161 pieces, will release for 40 bucks. It's gonna be a no for me. Then we have Kai's Golden Dragon Raider, 71773 is the set number, 624 pieces. That's gonna be a dislike as well. Then we have Jay's Golden Dragon Motorbike, set number 71768, 137 pieces. Nope. LEGO Ninjago Zane's Golden Dragon Jet Set, 71770, 258 pieces. No. LEGO Ninjago Cole's Dragon Cruiser, set number 71769. Nope. Naya's, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Samurai's X-Mech, 71775 is the set number, 1003 pieces. I kinda like mechs, but still gonna be a no for me. Next up, we have the Crystal King, set number 71772. Nope. Lloyd's Golden Ultra Dragon. Nope. The Crystal King Temple. No. Left. Next theme, City. We have Reckless Scorpion Stunt Bike. Nope. Farmer's Market Van. Now, I like this one. I know, also my girlfriend will like this one, so it's gonna be right on that one. Space Ride Amusement Truck. I'm gonna have to go no on this one. Double Loop Stunt Arena. I'm not big into LEGO stunts as well. I don't really play with my sets that way, so that's a no. All right, then we have the Express Passenger Train. You know I'm a fan of trains. This looks like a Japanese bullet train. Yes for me. Another stunt set. So we have Smashing Chimpanzee Stunt Loop. Nope, not interested. Touring Stunt Bike. We have a lot of stunts in this wave. Nope, I'm not gonna care about that one. Freight Train. Back and forth on this one. You get a lot of track, but I'm not a fan of the way the train looks, so that's a no. The Knockdown Stunt Challenge. It's gonna be a no for me again. The Shark Attack Stunt Challenge. Wow, my gosh, so many stunts. Nope. Train Station. Now this is a hard one for me. This looks more like a bus station than a train station. And so I initially wanted to say yes to this because I would like to have a train station for the trains, but this is more to me. They did the build of the bus so much better than the actual train station itself where you would actually drop off passengers. So because I'm not looking for a bus station, I'm looking for a train station, I would say no. Then the Chicken Hen House. Yes, because I actually really want a real chicken hen house in real life, so I'll say yes to this one. The Blade Stunt Challenge. Again, just stunts does not do it for me. Bathtub Stunt Bike. No. Cute concept, but no for me. Grocery Store. Yeah, I heard that this is like the first time LEGO City having a grocery store. My girlfriend loves this one. Loves vegetables, loves any kind of plant-based thing, so it's a yes for me on that one. Or should I say yes for her. LEGO Friends Recycling Truck. This is gonna be a yes. Immediately I already know my girlfriend loved this one, and hopefully my daughter will as well, so it's gonna be a yes for me. Andrea's Theater School. I think this one has a lot of cute concepts the way it opens up. I wanna say yes on that one. Heart Lake City Pizzeria. Nope, too plain. Surfer Beach Fun. Cute concept, I like that, but I actually prefer mountains over the beach, so I'm gonna say no. Emma's Art School. Yes to the theater, no to Emma's Art School. Doesn't do it for me. Horse show trailer, I'm gonna say an absolute yes on this one. I like the way the trailer looks, I like the color scheme, the vehicle looks like an FJ Cruiser, so I think I even might build this one just for the vehicle, the FJ Cruiser. Then we have Stephanie's Sailing Adventure. Again, not that big into beaches or anything like that, so it's a no. Mobile Fashion Boutique, oh, I wouldn't buy it. Mia's Wildlife Rescue, still a no for me. Now we have a friend's water park. I wouldn't buy it or build it. Now LEGO theme that I didn't think I would ever get into or care about, all of a sudden now I do, LEGO Duplo. So my first puppy and kitten with sounds, the fact I didn't even know Duplo came with like sounds and everything, so it's a yes for me. Wild Animals of Africa, too plain, I want a bigger set, so no on this one. Wild Animals of South America, okay, this is a larger set, so I'll probably say yes. Wild Animals of the Ocean, okay, yes, I used to love whales when I was a kid, so hopefully she does as well, so that's a yes. Wild Animals of Europe, I like the little trees and everything here, it's a yes for me. Wild Animals of Asia, I'm gonna have to say no on that one. And then we have Wild Animals of the World. It seems like you get all the LEGO Duplo animals in one package, and it gets sounds. Oh, that's easy, I'll just get this one because it has all the animals in it. So I'll super like that one. Viking Ship and Midgard Serpent, that's a super like to me. Yes. Downtown Noodle Shop. Come to find out, I guess I really don't like modulars that much. I would buy them and they just sit there and I never build them. So I'm gonna say no on this one because I just tend to not build them. Sunken Treasure Mission. Now different than beach building sets, which I tend to not like that much. Anything under the ocean, underwater, like octopus and submarines, I love, so this is a yes to me. LEGO Classic Build Together, I'm usually not a big LEGO Classic fan, but this one has some pretty good parts in it, so I'm gonna say yes to the LEGO Classic Build Together. This one, so sorry guys, this rumor was way off. This is literally just a LEGO Classic set. Nothing special, no LEGO Classic, like LEGO Classic Space, just LEGO Classic Space set, like what the title says. You get 1,700 pieces. Not a big fan of all the colors that are included, and more importantly, I'm just more disappointed that this is not a true LEGO Classic Space set, so it's a no for me, even though I love space. Another theme that I don't care much about is Monkey Kid, even though a lot of people said I should give it a chance. I'm just so into realism, I guess, that it's hard for me to get into like anything like fantasy. I'm gonna have to say no to Monkey Kid's Team Van. This one's a little hard. I don't know why I like the way this one looks. The Heavenly Realms. This would be a large build. I kind of like it. Looks like you're a floating empire through the clouds. I kind of like that. And this might actually change my mind. This is probably like the first Monkey Kid set that I actually say I like the way it looks. So I'll give it a yes. Next theme, Harry Potter. First one up is Hogwarts, Carriage, and Thestrals. Not too big onto the little smaller Harry Potter sets, so no for me on that one. Hogwarts Courtyard Serious Rescue. Not too big of a fan, doesn't even grab my attention. Now this one, Grimmauld Place, yes. I like the fact that it opens up, so it's gonna be a yes from me. The Ministry of Magic, like the brick color of the green, but I don't even know if I'd probably build it, so it's a no for me. Shrieking Shack and Whomping Willow, it's a no for me. Another Hogwarts set, Dumbledore's Office, no. Next we have is Hungarian Horntail Dragon. This is those movable like mechanical sets that they move and flap their wings, so that's a yes for me. All right, Brickheads, Professors of Hogwarts. This is a great idea. I love this set. Good job, LEGO, for making this. I gotta have a Snape. So that's the main reason why I'm going for this one. LEGO Harry Potter, build your own Hogwarts Castle polybag. This is cute. For $5, yes, absolutely. Farmhouse with Scarecrow, anything farm related I'm gonna like. So it's gonna be a yes for me, especially if it's like $5. Then boom, Winter Christmas Train, yes. I love trains, love Christmas. It's gonna be a yes for me. Next one up, LEGO Classic 30510 90 Years of Cars polybag. Yes, this, I remember building stuff like this when I was a kid. I gotta have this, and I really do believe that this is gonna be worth money one day. So I'm gonna say yes to this polybag. Super like. LEGO Minecraft, ooh, this is another one. This is another theme that does not do too well for me. This is on the same level as like Ninjago. Never bought a Minecraft set, never played Minecraft, so I don't have any real attachment. Let's see if there's a set that really just catches my attention like Monkey Kid, because I don't like Monkey Kid either. First we have is LEGO Minecraft 21186, the Ice Palace. No. How about 2184, the bakery? I like the goat, but no. Now everyone was going crazy over the llama. They wanted me to check this out. I like the colors, I like the builds. I just know if I bought it, I would never build this and display it. So I'm gonna have to say no on this one. Swipe left. Lego Minecraft at the Red Barn. Okay, I see what they're trying to do here. They know that I like farming and farm animals. Get another goat in here. I want to say no though. Another Minecraft set, the Nether Bastion. No, nothing, doesn't do it for me. Moving on to Lego Disney. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse camping trip. I actually prefer Lego Friends over this one. Hopefully my daughter will too, so I want to say no on Mickey Mouse camping trip. Mickey and Minnie Goofy's Fairground Fun. That's interesting. It might be fun to have her play with it, but no. I want to say no and make a decision for her. Now this actually might like. Mickey and Friends Castle Defenders. This reminds me of a cartoon where I saw Goofy and Mickey when I was a kid growing up. I think I have a video of it and you can still find it. But I can see myself saying yes to this one and building it with my daughter, so yes. Cinderella's Prince Charming's Castle. My girlfriend loves Cinderella, so I'm gonna have to say yes on that one. Ice cream picture frames and bracelet. Now, I don't like Lego dots, period. But I know I'm most likely not the demographic for Lego dots, so I'm gonna go through here and see if I can guess what my girlfriend picked. She's the one that said yes or no onto Lego dots. So let's see. First one, ice cream picture frames bracelet. I'm gonna say yes. Adhesive patch. No way, there's no way she picked that. Designer toolkit patterns. Let me take a closer look. You know, I think she said yes. Adhesive patches mega pack. Oh, adhesive patches, I'll say no. Oh, right. Stitch on patch, no again. There's no way she's into like those patches. Ooh, and Q Panda tray, guaranteed it's a yes. Yep, 100% she says yes to this one. Rainbow bracelet with charms. I don't think she would wear it, so I'll say no. All right, we have a Lego Star Wars set. The Mandalorian N1 Starfighter. This is one of those things I want to buy it, but I know I would never build it or even display it. So I'm gonna have to say no to the Mandalorian Starfighter. Another Duplo set. This is in the wrong area. Spider-Man and Friends Fun at Fair Adventure. Nope, not a big fan of Spider-Man. The Rolling Stones. Now this is a hard one. I'm not a huge Rolling Stone fan. Definitely more into the Beatles than I am the Rolling Stones. And it's kind of an awkward looking build. I think it would be fun to build. But man, we're not that big of a Rolling Stones fan for take up that much space. That much real estate on the wall. You know, I kind of think I look around like, man, where would I put it? Gosh, I would like to build it though. I'm interested, you know, this is one of the ones I would have to see in person. So because of that, I'm gonna say no to the Rolling Stones. I'm probably gonna regret that one, but I'm gonna say no. Iron Man Armory, Marvel. Not into Marvel, even though I do like Iron Man. But I could watch like what, the first Iron Man a long time ago when it first came out in the early 2000s. Haven't really kept much up on it since, so I'm gonna say no to Iron Man Armory. Ready for all the hate? Now, I Am Groot. This is actually one of the first movies that I watched with my girlfriend when we first started dating, so I'm gonna say yes to this one, specifically because of that. Yes to I Am Groot. It's more of a sentimental thing. And then Lego Mythica. I mean, I don't even think it's available. I think you have to go to like a Lego Discovery Zone. And I definitely wouldn't be driving all the way to a Lego Discovery store or anything to pick up this Mythica set, so it's gonna be a no for me. Well, that's it. We've gone through 80 plus sets through LEGO Tinder. Showed you the ones I liked, super liked, and the ones I had to say no because I would probably never ever build them. But let me know in the comments below, which ones would you say yes to, or which ones would you super like? How about that? Leave in the comments below, which ones would you super like? And which ones do you disagree with me on? How many LEGO Ninjago and Minecraft fans are out there? Probably a lot. Just, I don't know, can't do it. All right guys, that's gonna end today's video.